Yeah, hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting video with your host, Gabi Tech High C. You can always call me Angel. Yeah. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I would please just subscribe to channel, give us likes, and you can also activate the notification button so that whenever we drop a video you can always have it. Thank you. In today's video tutorial I shall be drawing a house, a simple house. In class today, our students came with an image, and I love the image so much. It's a simple and beautiful image. It's a simple and beautiful image. First, so I will be working on that image this today. So I will show you how to draw that house. Now, here is the house, this house. So I'll be drawing this beautiful house using MS Paint. To start with, I'll make use of rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle like this. But I think this line is too wide, so I'll reduce it to 3 pixels. Just follow me. You can always pause the video at any time, rewind, watch it again so that you can get it. You can understand it appropriately. So I draw this shape. Next, I draw another rectangle like this. After that, I'll draw another rectangle like this. Yeah, I can also use line to draw this, but I'm using rectangle so that it can be fast and perfect. So after that, I draw another rectangle inside this. Yes, that is it. So I draw oval. That's the door. So now I click on line. To draw a perfect straight line, you click on line, press down the shift key, click and drag. I hope you got that. Then I'll draw another one that is press down the shift key, click and drag to draw a perfect straight line. So that's it. So I drag it down. I'm trying to use the simplest approach for this project, the simplest approach for this project so that everyone can understand. So that is it. So the next is I need to get rid of this line at the top. I can use eraser, but I would prefer to use rectangle using the kind of color principle. That is, when two light colors meet, then there's a kind of it fades away. The other one disappear. So this black color, I will just change this to white now, and I come to fill and click on solid color. Now it has done the just erase it for me. So I click on rectangle, change it to black so that if I didn't change it to black, this is what will happen. I won't see what I draw. So I need to change it to black. That is it. Now you get it. So I change it to black. So that's good. That's good. So here I'll click on line, click and drag to draw a line like this. I draw the line again this way. I'm using line. I can use the polygon tool as well, but I'm using line for this so that it can be very easy for everyone. is it. So close it up and close it here. That is it. So here, click and draw rectangle inside like this, and click on line. Draw a straight line from here. Click and drag. So that's it. I use the arrow key to move it to the left hand side, the left arrow key to move it to the left hand side. That's what I use there. So that first part is done. So I click on rectangle again, draw another rectangle like this. There's one more thing here I'm here to put to cover all this line. That's it. So after drawing this rectangle, I draw a rectangle here as well. This is very simple. After that, I draw another rectangle like this. Draw a rectangle in it as a window. Continue with drawing a line inside like this. That's it. I can use the arrow key to adjust it to the right my expected position. So that's it. So next is I draw, yes, let me draw a rectangle here as well above here. So it's a little space not touching the one below. So that's it. I'll also draw. Now you remember what we did earlier. I want to clear this part, so click white. That's it. So I'll draw another rectangle here like this. I change it to black so that it can be reviewed. So that is it. So click on line, press down the shift key to draw a perfect straight line. That's it. Now I'll click on line like this. I'll draw another one like this. Another one like this. I'm using straight line for this. This makes it more simple for everyone to understand. Another straight line like this. You can see, very simple and fast. So that's it. So next I'll draw a straight line from here. Press on the shift key, hold it here, and that's not good enough, so I use the undo. Press, draw a straight line. I'm drawing it again. That's it. That's it. So I draw a straight line like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just to extend this one out. Hey, sorry. Just to extend this one out. So and bring this one down. That's it. What else do I need to do? There's a space here. Let me just try to close it up. Okay. What else? So a rectangle here and a closure at the top. What else do I need to put? I think we are done. And that's all. Very simple. So the next is you can just begin to add beautiful colors. You click on the fill with colors, select your color, and add the color. That's it. You can just add the color of our choice. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. If I need more colors, I can always click on edit colors and choose can get more colors from there. So that's it. I always get more colors from edit color. So next, what other color can we use? Okay, let's do that. So that and here have this and that's all. Thank you for watching our video. If you watch these videos to this moment, that means you've enjoyed the video. And please kindly give us a like and also subscribe to our channel to help this channel grow. Thank you very much. Share the video to your friends, your colleagues at school, at places. Tell them to follow us for more videos. If you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. Have a nice day.